Hi students, good morning. Today we discussed the binomial theorem objective problems for JEE mains. Okay, in previous questions we are discussing in this session. Okay, let us start now. Okay, see the problem. The sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms in the expansion of x plus root of x cube minus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus root of x cube minus 1 whole power 6 where x is greater than 1. Now in this problem we have to find the sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms in this expansion. So in this problem we are knowing the formula, that is see the formula, that is a plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n. So this is the formula we are using here. Here this is the formula. Okay, see the formula here. Now see the in this solution we are to using this formula, that is a plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n. Okay, what is the expansion? This is the term a plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n. So in this problem we are using this formula. What is the formula here? 2 times of nc naught a to the power of n, that is nc2 a power n minus 2 into b power 2 nc4 a power n minus 4 b power 4 and so on. Okay, using this formula we are solving this problem. Okay, so given expression is what is the given expression? That is x plus square root of x cube minus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus square root of x cube minus 1 whole power 6. So this is the given expression. Now we are using this formula. We are expanding this one. This is 2 times of here what is n? N is 6. 6c naught. The first term is x to the power of 6 plus 6c2 into first term x to the power of 6 minus 2, that is 4 into second term, that is square root of x cube minus 1 whole power 2. Next 6c4 into x to the power of 6 minus 4, that is 2 into second term x cube minus 1 whole power 4. Next term 6c6, so x power 0 and second term x cube minus 1 whole power 6. Okay, so this is x cube minus 1 whole power 6. Now we are writing this. Plus 6c6 square root of x cube minus 1 power 6. Okay, now this is the expansion. Now we are simplifying, that is equal to 2 into, now we are writing 6c naught, that is 1 into x power 6. Next 6c2, that is 6c2, that is 6 into 5 by 2, 2 3s, 3 5s, 15. Now 6c2, that is 15 x to the power of 4. Here root and square will be cancelled. Root and square will be cancelled. We are getting x cube minus 1 plus 6c4. What is 6c4? That is nothing but 6c2. That is 6c2, that is 15. Now this is also, that is 15 x square into x cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 2, that is square. Next one is 6c6, that is 1. here x cube minus 1 whole power 6 by 2, that is 3. Now we are expanding, we are getting this one. Okay, that is equal to, here in this expansion we are writing the even degree terms. Okay, now we have to find the sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms in this expansion. Now we are writing the sum of the coefficients in the even degree terms. Now we are writing the even degree terms. Even degree terms, or what are the even degree terms? Here we are writing x power 6, that is even degree. Next 15 x to the power of 4 into 1 minus 1, that is x to the power of 4 minus 1. Here x power 4 and x power 3, and that is x power 7, that is odd power. Next in this expansion, here 15 x to the power of that is x power 3 whole square, that is x power 6 into x power 2, that is x power 8. Next a square plus b square is 1, that is minus 15 x square. Okay, minus 1. What is a square? Now this expansion is x power 6 plus 1. This expansion is here x power 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 1 minus 2x cube. This is the expansion of this one. So now we are writing x power 2 into x power 6, that is x power 80, that is 15 x power 8. Next one is 15 x square. Next is x square into x cube, x power 5. So this is the next term here, that is here 15 x power 8 here plus 1 into 15 x power 2, that is 15 x power 2. So in this expansion, next in this expansion, so here x cube, that is a cube is here minus 1, a cube minus b cube. Next 3a square b. Next that is 3a square, that is 3 into 2 whole power 6. b is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 minus 3x power 6 in this a minus b whole cube expansion. So these are the terms of even terms in this expansion. We are eliminating odd powers of x. Here even degree terms in this expansion we are writing here. Now in this problem, the sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms. Now we have to write here the sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms is equal to, what are the coefficients? Now we are taken here 2. What is x power 6 coefficient is 1. Here x power 4 coefficient that is minus 15. Here that is x power 8, that is 15. Here also x power 2, that is even degree term, that is 15. Here minus 1, here minus 3. Okay, here minus 15 will be cancelled and 1 also cancelled. Then we are getting here 2 into here 15 minus 3, that is 12. So 12 into 2, that is 24. Okay, so the answer is 24. Okay, the sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms in the expansion of given expression. What is the given expression? X plus square root of x cube minus 1 whole power 6 plus x minus square root of x cube minus 1 whole power 6. In this expansion, the sum of all coefficients of all even degree terms. First we are using this formula, a plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n. Expansion is this one, that is 2 into nc naught a power n plus nc2 a power n minus 2 b square nc4 a power n minus 4 b power 4 like this and so on. So we are using this formula. So this is in the form of a plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n. Here n is 6, here a is x and b is square root of x cube minus 1. Now we are applying this formula, we are expanding this one. Okay, now we are expanding this one. Okay, now we are simplifying this one. 6c naught is 1 and 6c2 is 15 and also 6c4 is also 15. So now we are expanding. In this expansion we are writing here the coefficient of x cube minus 1 whole square. So now we are expanding, then we are a minus b whole square, that is x power 6 plus 1 minus 2x cube. In this term we are writing even terms, that is x square into x power 6, that is x power 8. Next term is x square into 1, that is 15x square. Okay, remaining x cube into x square, that is x power 5. Now we are eliminating. So in the last term a minus b whole cube, in this expansion a cube minus b cube, that is minus 1. So next term, that is minus 3 a square b, that is 3 x power 3 whole square, that is x power 6. So these are the terms of even powers, even degree terms are in this expansion, even terms. Okay, in that the sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms. Now we are collecting the coefficients, that is x power 6 is 1 and x power 4 coefficient is minus 15. Here x power 8 coefficient is 15, x square coefficient is 15, here minus 1 and minus 3 x power 6. Okay, here okay, so these are the terms. Okay, so now the sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms is 24. Okay, problem. If the fourth term in the binomial expansion of square root of x to the power of 1 by 1 plus log x base 10 plus x to the power of 1 by 12 whole power 6. Okay, in this binomial expansion, fourth term is equal to 200 and x is greater than 1. Then what is the value of x? Now in this problem we have to find the value of x. Now what is the general term? We are writing the general term. Using general term, what is the fourth term? So now we are writing the fourth term. This is the solution. Here, what is the solution here? T4, that is given the fourth term is 200. That is given that fourth term is 200. Okay, now we are writing this is the fourth term. What is the fourth term in the given expression? That is NC. What is the formula? That is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR a to the power of n minus 1 b to the power of r. So this is the general term formula. So using that formula we are writing what is here, that is T4, that is nothing but T3 plus 1. So now we are writing so what is n is here 6, n is here 6 C3, 6c3 into first term. What is the first term? That is square root of x to the power of 1 by 1 plus log x to the base 10 plus second term is x power 1 by 12 whole to the power of 6. This is the term. Now this is the first term. So this is the first term to the power of 6 minus 3, that is 3 into second term. What is second term? Here x to the power of 1 by 12 whole power 3, that is 200. So we are writing the fourth term for the given binomial expansion using the formula general term TR plus 1 NCR a power n minus 1 or b power r. So here we are writing T4. T4 nothing but T3 plus 1. What is here r? R is 3. Here in the expansion n is equal to 6. So NCR, that is 6C3 into first term. What is first term? Square root of x to the power of 1 by 1 plus log x base 10 whole to the power of 6 minus 3, that is 3 into second term x to the power of 1 by 12 whole to the power of r is here 3 is equal to 200. Now what is the value of 6c3? That is 6c3 is nothing but 6c3, that is 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2, 3 2's 1, that is 20. So the value is 20. Here now we are writing x to the power of here square root is nothing but whole power 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 1 plus log x base 10 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Here root is nothing but whole power 1 by 2 into 3, that is 3 by 2. Here x to the power of 3 by 12, that is 200. Okay, here 20, okay, 10 times. Okay, so 0, that is we are cancelling. Here 200 by 20, that is 10. So this is x to the power of here this power whole power, that is 3 by 2 into this one, that is 3 by 2 into 1 plus log x to the base 10 into x to the power of 1 by 3 by 12, that is nothing but 1 by 4 is equal to 10. So here bases are equal. Now we are adding these two. Okay, x to the power of 3 by 2 into 1 plus log x base 10 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 10. Okay, now your LCM here, that is 4 into 1 plus log x to the base 10, that is the LCM. Here 2, here 2 into 3 6 plus here 4 is where remaining term is 1 plus log x to the base 10, that is equal to 10. Okay, here we are LCMing is here 4 into log 1 plus log x to the base 10. So here 2 into 1 plus log x base 10. So remaining 2 into 3, that is 6. Here 1 into the value is remaining term is 1 into 1 plus log x to the base 10 is equal to log 10. Now applying log on both sides, we are getting here log 10 to the base x. Here log 10 to the base x. Now we are writing here okay. Now we are applying log on both sides, that is log 10 to the base x. Okay, log 10 to the base x is equal to, so this one is moving to this side, that is 6 plus 1 plus log x to the base 10 by 4 into 1 plus log x to the base 10. Okay, now we are writing, this is moving to this side, we are getting log x to the base 10. Here log 10 base x moving to RHS side, then it becomes log x to the base 10 into this one, that is 1 plus 6, that is 7 plus log x to the base 10 by in denominator 4 into 1 plus log x to the base 10. Moving to this side, that is 4 plus 4 log x to the base 10 is equal to here 7 into log x to the base 10 plus here log x to the base 10 into log x to the base 10, that is whole square. Now here put log x to the base 10 is equal to t. Put this, then we are becomes this equation 1 plus 4t is equal to 7t plus t square. Now this is t square. Here 7t minus 4t, that is plus 3t. Here minus 4 is equal to 0. So we are writing the factors. Here t square, here 4t minus t minus 4 is equal to 0. So here t is common, then here t plus 4, here minus is common, t plus 4 is equal to 0. So from that t is equal to 1 and t is equal to minus 4. Now we are substitute in that we are getting Here log x to the base 10 is equal to t. T is 1. Then here 10 to the power of 1 is equal to x. X is here 10. Another value log x to the base 10 is equal to minus 4. From that 10 to the power of minus 4 is equal to x. So then x is equal to here 1 by 10 to the power of 4. Here given that in the problem what is x is here, x is greater than 1. Since x is greater than 1, therefore the value of the values we are taken, therefore value of x is we are taken 10. The value of x is 10. Okay, now we are writing here. So from that, okay, from that x is equal to 1 by 10 to the power of 4. Okay, so then what is the value of, since x is greater than 1, therefore x is we are taken 10. The answer is 10. Okay, so see the once again. So in the given binomial expansion, fourth term is 200. Now we are writing T4 is 200. What is T4? T3 plus 1. That is using the formula NCR A power n minus R B power R. Using the formula that is 6C3. First term to the power of 6 minus 3, that is 3, into second term to the power of R. R is 3. Here 6C3 is 20. Here it will be cancelled. That is 200 by 20. That is 10. Then we are getting this one. Now here bases are equal. Now adding the power. So after that applying the log on both sides, we are getting logarithm definition. We are getting log 10 to the base x is equal. This term is moving to this side. So this log 10 to the base x is moving to RHS side. Then log x to the base 10. So denominator now cross multiplying, and in that log x base 10 is 10 t. Log x base 10 is t. Then we are becoming a quadratic equation in t. Now we are writing the factors t is equal to 1 and t is equal to minus 4. And substitute in this log x to the base 10 is t. Then t is here 1. Then applying logarithm definition here 10 power 1 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 10 and another value is x is equal to 10 power minus 4. But x is greater than 1. So we are taken x is value 10. This is the answer. Okay, see the next problem. If the fourth term in the binomial expansion of 2 by x plus x to the power of log x to the base 8 whole power 6, here x is greater than 0, is 20 into 8 power 7, then the value of x. Now we have to find the value of x. See the solution. Okay, here in this expansion, that is here also fourth term is given. The fourth term in the expansion is 20 into 8 to the power of 7. Now we are writing the T4. What is T4? Using the formula, what is TR plus 1 is NCR A power n minus R B power R. Using this formula, we are writing in this expansion, that is NCR, that is N is here 6 C R is 3 into first term here 2 by x whole power 6 minus 3, that is 3, into second term here, second term is x to the power of log x to the base 8 whole power 3, that is 20 into 8 power 7. Here log x, here x to the power of second term x to the power of log x to the base 8 whole power 6. Here n is 6, that is 6c3 into first term to the power of n minus r, that is 6 minus 3, that is 3, into second term, that is x to the power log x to the base 8 whole power r. R is here 3. Now we are writing the fourth term in the expansion of given expression. Okay, in that we are writing the what is the value of x. So what is here 6c3, that is nothing but 6c3 value is 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2, that is 20. This value is 20. Here 2 cube, that is 8 by x cube. Here x to the power of here power and 3 into this one, that is 3 log x to the base 8 is equal 20 into 8 power 7. This 20 will be cancelled. Okay, here bases are equal. Now this moving the other side. Here 2 power 8, 2 cube is 8. Here x to the power of 3 log x to the base 8 minus 3. Here moving to this side. Okay, so that is equal to here 8 power 7. Okay, here 1 8 will be cancelled. 7 minus 1, that is 6. Okay, so this is nothing but x to the power of 3 log x to the base 8 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here this 8 can be written as 2 cube whole power 6, that is 2 power 18. Okay, 3 6 are 18. Okay, so here now we are writing this is x power 3 log x. Here 8 can be written as 2 cube. Okay, that is 2 power 18. This 3 is becomes the quotient, that is x power 3 by 3 log x to the base 2 minus 3 is equal to power 18. So this 3 will be cancelled. Then we are getting x to the power of log x to the base 2 minus 3 is equal to the power of 18. Okay, now applying log to the base 2 on both sides. We are applying log to the base 2 on both sides. Then we are getting this is log of base 2 we are applying. So whole power log x to the base 2 minus 3 is equal to here log of 2 to the power of 18 base 2. Here power is moving to this side, then we are getting log x to the base 2 minus 3 into log x to the base 2. Here power is moving to the quotient, that is equal here also 18 log 2 base 2, that is nothing but 1. So that is 18 in this side. In this side is log x base 2 into log x base 2 whole square minus 3 log x base 2. So here put in this also put log x base 2 is t. We are substituting here. Then this will be t square minus 3t. Here minus 18 is equal to 0. So now we are writing the factors. Okay, t square minus this is 60 minus okay plus 3t minus 18 is equal to 0. This minus 3t can be written as minus 60 plus 3t. So here t is common, t minus 6. Here t minus 6. Here 3 is common, t minus 6. Then we are getting t is equal to 6 and t is equal to minus 3. Okay, these are the values of t. Now we have to substitute in this log x to the base 2 is equal to, what is t is 6, that is 2 power 6 is equal to x. This is one thing, one value, and another value log x base 2 is equal to minus 3, that is 2 power minus 3 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 1 by 8. Here x is equal to 2 power 6. So that is nothing but here in this options we are getting here 2 cube whole square is equal to x. From that x is equal to 8 square. This is our option. So our option is here x is also greater than 0. Since x is greater than 0, so we are taken x is more than 0. That is here x is less than x is here 0 point something. Here x is greater than, sorry, okay, so x is here 8 square, that is the option value. So the answer is x is equal to 8 square. Okay, see the problem. If some three consecutive coefficients in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power n in powers of x are in the ratio 2 is to 15 is to 17, then the average of these coefficients. Okay, now we are taken the coefficients, some three coefficients we are taken. See the solution. What are where? So given expression is 1 plus x whole power n. So this is the given expression. Now we are taken the coefficients and NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1. So some three consecutive coefficients in this expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, or we are taken NCR minus 1 is to NCR plus 1. These are given, that is 2 is to 15 is to 17. Okay, from that we have to find the average of these coefficients. So that is the NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus NCR plus 1 by 3. Now we are to calculating that one. So from this we are writing, now we are taken these two, NCR by NCR minus 1, from that way, that is here 15 by 2. Okay, so now we are taken these two relations. What is the formula? NCR by NCR minus 1 is formula n minus r plus 1 by r, that is 15 by 2. From that we are getting here 2n minus 2r plus 2 is equal to 15r. So here 2r is moving to this side, that is 17r is equal to 2n plus 2. From that r is equal to 2n plus 2 by 17. This is equation 1. Similarly, another we are taken these two. Next, these two. So here NCR plus 1 by NCR is equal to here 70 by 15. Okay. Now using this formula, that is n minus r plus 1 by r. Here r is r plus 1. So 5 3's 5, 1's 5, 4's, that is 14 by 3. Okay. From that here minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled. Moving to this side, 3n minus 3r. This 3 is moving to this side, that is 14r plus 14. Here r plus 1 is moving to this side. So from that we are getting here 17r is equal to, this 3r is moving to RHS side. Then here 3n minus 14. From that r is also, we are getting here 3n minus 14 by 17. So that is equation 2. From 1 and 2 we are writing, from 1 and 2 we are writing, we are equating these two, that is 2n plus 2 is equal to 3n minus 14. So from that n is equal to 14 plus 1, that is 16. We are getting n value is 16. Now we have to substitute in this equation 1. What is r? R is equal to here 2n, 2 into 16 plus 2 by 17. So that is 32 plus 2, that is 34 by 17. That is 17, 2s are 34. So here r is equal to 2. We are getting r and n. Then what are the terms we are taken? Now we are writing the average of the coefficients. So now we are writing the average of coefficients is equal to, what are the coefficients? That is NC r minus 1. So here n is 16, C r minus 1. R minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Plus NCR, that is 16C r is 2. Next, what is NCR plus 1? That is 16 r is 2, 2 plus 1, that is C3 by average is 3. Average is 3. Now what is 16C1? That is NC1 is n. Here 16C2, that is 120, and 16C3, that is 560. by 3. Now we are adding these 3. We are adding 696 by 3. That is 2 3 2. 232 is the average. So this is the average of the 3 consecutive binomial coefficients in the given binomial expansion 1 plus x whole power n. So the average is 232. Okay.